Hello! Today we're going to be showing you how to manage spelling corrections in the coding tool. We've got a sample file which contains several spelling and typing errors. Our data is from respondents answering the question, why do you shop at Doors? Doors is a fictional store for the purposes of this tutorial. Since the coding tool automatically spell checks and corrects all text imported in your native language, the first thing to do is create a project and upload our data file. As you can see, our data has been imported and the spelling corrections that have been automatically applied are highlighted in green. If we hover over the words, we can see the original text for reference. Let's work through the text and see if there are any manual changes we'll need to make. The first row contains the name of the store. Since the coding tool has not heard of the store Doors before, we'll need to tell it to allow this word. Glancing at the rest of the text, we can see that the same thing has happened on the last row as well. We can right-click on either instance of the corrected word and select Ignore Spelling. This has added Doors to our list of ignore words in the Spell Check and Corrections section. To ensure that this has the desired effect, we need to click Refresh Data to perform the spell check again. You can now see that the coding tool has not corrected the name of the store in both the first and last records. We can also add an ignore word manually in the Spell Check and Corrections section. If we no longer need an ignore word, we can remove it by clicking the red cross on the right. Let's continue working through the data. We can use the smart filters to display only those data that contain spelling errors. It's corrected the wrong form of to, which is correct. It's corrected closest and courteous correctly. The last spelling error is again the name of the store. However, if we look at the original text, the respondent has spelled the store name incorrectly. In this case, we need to tell the coding tool to replace this incorrect form with the right name. We right-click on the word and select Replace Spelling. We tell the coding tool to replace Doris with Doors and click OK. You can see the replacement has been added to the replacement word section, and when we refresh the data, we can see that the name of the store has been corrected. Like the ignore words, replacement words can be added manually and removed by clicking the red cross on the right. Once we hit Refresh Data to apply our changes, we can see that our data is fully spell checked and ready to analyse. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.